Good morning class. Today I will discuss again all the exercises of chapter number 2 as there are many students who have not completed their work, the exercises from starting of the chapter. So I will explain all the exercise again. If you have not completed it, so complete it in your fair copy. The first exercise is make statement. Here you have to make two statement sentence and clues are given, and with the help of these clues means subject are given and you have to add predicate. The first word is Akbar. Akbar was a great king. The predicate is was a great king. Lion and bear are wild animal. Lion and bear are wild animal. As I have explained it earlier, 2 times I explained the chapter and exercises. So I will here explain all the exercises. Exercise number B. Make interrogative sentences with the help of following question word. Words why, what and are. Why, what and are. As I told you students, interrogative means the question, the sentence where there is any question, and an interrogative sentence always start with any helping verb or any ws or question word. As first 2 sentences I start with question word and third is with helping verb. Why are you crying? Second is what is an earthquake? And third, are you a doctor? As I told you, at the end of question sentence or interrogative sentence, you must have to put the question mark. Here, words are given and you have to complete it. Why are you crying? What is an earthquake? And are you a doctor? Exercise number C. Write 3 imperative sentences below. First, command, request and advice. Command, request and advice. Command means to give any order. Put it down now, or play with intensity and courage. The first word is that you have to write in your copy. Put it down now. And second is a request. Please clean your room. Please clean your room. Then advice. Third, consider vegetables over meat. Consider vegetables over meat. Then let's revise. Exercise number A. Place an appropriate mark at the end of the sentence and also write its kind. Come and rest for some time. As I told you, at the end of statement or declarative sentence, you have to put a question mark and start the first letter with capital. Come and rest for some time, then full stop. It is an imperative sentence. Second, how will you complete your work? It is a interrogative sentence. At the end of interrogative sentence, you have to put a question mark. So how you will complete your work, then question mark. Third, oh, it has begun to rain. So first you have to write a exclamation marks and it has begun to exclamatory sentence. Convert the following statement into question. I shall be 11 next month. You have to change it into question, interrogative sentence. Shall I be 11 next month? Shall I be 11 next month? And the second statement is India has more than a billion people. Does India have more than a billion people? Then question mark. Exercise number C. Answer the following questions. Where will the next Olympic take place? The next Olympic will take place in Tokyo. Who will teach us English this year? Madhulika ma'am will teach us English this year. So all these exercises you have to write in your copy. Exercise number D. In exercise number D, you have to write one thing which you and your friend don't do. One thing which you and your friend don't do. And the second part of this sentence is also write one thing which you think no Indian should do. Means a thing which we should not have to do. Write answer of this question in your fair copy, then show me it and then I will check it. Only then you have to write in your fair copy. So first complete all the exercises of the chapter and then D in your rough copy, and first you have to show me it, I will check it, only then you have to write in your copy. From Thursday I will start with literature. First you have to write a poem, then I will explain it. Okay class, thank you.